Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tawakkalullah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say the Muslim have a dua that is not rejected at the time he's breaking his fast. So all the Muslim who can make a dua for Iran, they can make a dua for Allah to protect the Muslim in Iran and bring peace and also eliminate the enemy. Allahumma dammir Bani Israel. Allahumma dammir Bani Israel. So, mashallah, some ulama say that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say in the end of the time, Dajjal will come, and when he come, whoever believe in him, he gonna give you Jannah. Whoever disbelieve him, he gonna give you hellfire. But his Jannah and hellfire are not the truth. They say if he take you to Jannah, Allah will. In reality, people will see you going to Jannah, but in reality, you're going to hellfire. And if he take you to hellfire, people are gonna see you going to hellfire, but in reality, you're going to Jannah. And the ulama agree that the Dajjal in reality is Bani Israel, because today they have a philosophy. If they want to bring that philosophy upon you or your country and you agree with them, they're going to give you finance, they're going to give you peace, they're going to work with you. But if they have a philosophy and you don't agree with their philosophy, what they're going to do is they're going to bring war in your country, they're going to bring discord in your country, and they're going to just come kill innocent people. MashaAllah. So for some ulama, the Dajjal is Bani Israel. MashaAllah. May Allah protect all the Muslims wherever they are. And basically the reason we make these videos is to bring Muslims together, to show the difference of opinion being the same. All the Muslims are same, and if we become one, mashallah, we're gonna be powerful. And today what's going on, we see that Iran is sending bombs to different countries, but these countries are really Muslim countries, so it's just Islam losing. Have betrayed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who fought for us to get this deen. And today we are in discord, everybody killing everybody. We have to stop this, and may Allah bring the